started to get nice outside. It was supposed to rain all evening, but the sun decided to come out. It has been violently storming all week long here in Florida. Typical summer weather here, unfortunately. I also tend to get like seasonally depressed, I've noticed. Specifically here in Florida, specifically in the summer. I think it's just because it's unrelentlessly hot with no breaks. It's super humid. Yeah, and it just gets so hot that you don't want to leave the house. Like, you don't even want to open the windows. That just kind of makes me sad because I love being outside and I love opening the windows. And I love having natural sunlight in my house. Anyways, I got a stroke of inspiration when the rain decided to stop. And I decided I'm gonna go to Michael's. I need to get some more paints. I have something specific in mind that I want to create. I'm going to go on a quest to go get those materials. I personally prefer this brand of acrylic paint. They're also like years old. I don't know if acrylic paint can expire, but I think the black is fine in this brand. The blue too. I have a lot of blue. Oh yeah. I have a huge thing of the blue because I was using this for my galactic jellyfish painting, which is the largest painting I've ever done. I'll insert it. I'll put a picture in for you guys. I used to be obsessed with like doing galaxy backgrounds and stuff, and I still do, but I went through a phase where like that's all I was doing. I just really wanted to learn how to make the galaxy effect. And then I have all these like teeny tiny ones, but they're not very useful. I mean, I guess it's good if I'm doing like small little works and stuff like that, or if I'm gonna go, you know, on a picnic or draw somewhere where it's just inconvenient for me to bring all these tubes. But then again, I feel like it's more convenient for me to just bring my basic colors and mix them. I also got myself a little sweet treat. I feel like ice cream is the perfect summer treat, and it always makes me feel so nostalgic from my childhood. Hi! Hello! Hi, Husky! Oh my goodness, you have your new fly mask? Look at you! I have my loyal army of followers. Come on, Moonshine, let's go! It's dinner time! Her little run. Miss Clover is learning how to get comfortable in the stall. Good girl. Which is really important, especially with hurricane season coming up. She's like, I'm not sure about this. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, it's okay. This is day 3 of me bringing her in the stall. This is your horse eating ASMR. So I usually give all the horses a bath tomorrow on Tuesdays, but it's supposed to be pretty stormy and rainy this week, so I'm gonna get started with Clover and her mom. So I'm gonna bathe them now before the sun goes down, and then tomorrow I'll come back and bathe all the other babies. But I just gave them all of their grain, I gave her probiotics, and did a little training session with her as well. Time to let Mr. Duke out. He's calling to all the ladies. Just got done doing all my work with the horses. It's definitely hard work, but it is so worth it. It's literally my free therapy. I swear. I think horses really force you to slow down and be present before you interact with them. Especially with training Clover, you know, I want her training sessions to be positive and fun, and I want her to look forward to them and be curious about them, and I want her to trust me to teach her new things, and we've worked so hard to create that bond. Every day I've spent with her since she was born, and I'm seeing I'm seeing the work pay off, and it's beautiful, and the relationship and bond we have is beautiful. But yeah, basically what I'm trying to say is, if I go out there and I have negative energy, she's gonna pick up on that. And how can she possibly learn something from somebody in a positive way if I'm just bringing all the negativity that was on my mind to the session? So the rule is I leave all of that at the gate. It's like a breath of fresh air after I'm done working with them, and they all have like different personalities, and it just makes my heart so happy. I am just eating some watermelon right now with this ginormous pot. Okay, don't judge me. The watermelon, I kid you not, was like 5 times the size of my head. After we were done cutting it, there was literally nowhere to put it. Like, I filled up 3 mason jars, like the big ones. I filled up all of our Tupperware, so our last resort was to put it in the pot. It is so good. Oh my goodness. Alright, so let's get into it. Before the yapping, my intention when I sat down was to give you guys a haul of everything I got at the art store. So I did indeed get the paints. I got the other primary colors that I needed. I got primary yellow, primary red, I got my titanium white, and I also got brown. I don't like mixing brown. I don't know why. It's just, I think I need to research what colors you mix together to make brown faster. Every time I try to make brown, it takes forever. And it's like never like the exact shade of brown I want. So I like the space brown color, and I can lighten it and darken it as I wish. I also got some extra large paintbrushes. I really like this brand of paintbrushes. A lot of the smaller paintbrushes I have are this brand. But yeah, that is everything I got from Michael's, and I think I'm gonna let my camera charge a bit, and I think I'm gonna start painting. I got a little goodie in the mail. I've been waiting for this magazine for a while. I pre-ordered the bundle for issue 1 and 2, so I'm still waiting on issue 1, but I got their newest issue 2. This is basically a trinket lovers magazine. Well, no, actually. My hair does not like this humidity. I just cutified these, and I'm obsessed. Hi guys! It has been a super cozy and chill summer day for me today. I got up and tended to Clover's wounds. She scratched herself up a bit during turnout, so she's been on stall rest just to prevent any excess bacteria from getting in the wound. So I've been getting up super early to tend to her, which honestly is the perfect reason to fix my sleep schedule. It's actually been really refreshing to get up at an earlier time. My days have felt longer, and it's been leaving me more time to relax and be at ease in the evenings. I'm also on my moon, so I've just been taking it easy. I took a nap today and lounged around and caught up on all my favorite YouTubers' videos. I want to clean out my closet a little bit. There's a few pieces in there that I know I want to get rid of or list on Depop. I've been really struggling to find outfits lately, and I think it's because all of my fall and winter stuff is mixed in with my summer stuff. So when I go to reach in for clothes, a lot of the clothes that are up front and that I can see are just like way too hot for me to be wearing, and the other stuff is kind of folded in the very back where I can't see it. So I think I want to kind of craft a summer wardrobe perhaps, and just find all my favorite little summer pieces again, all my cute little dresses, and organize them so they're front and center when I open my wardrobe. I also have some of my favorite dresses hanging right up here, and yeah, that's the plan. And then I think after that I'll probably have a cozy video game night, and I also want to do some editing for my weekly vlog. Let's get into it. This is my studio space right now. As you can see, it is super messy, so I need to tidy that up. Yeah, so this is the current state of my wardrobe. I know, it's really bad. This is what I mean when I come in here and I'm like, I don't have anything to wear. I'm thinking that I should put all of my winter clothes in storage. I think I might pack it up just so that I have more room in my armoire, because it's such a small space. So I think I'll do that. This skirt is cute and summery. This corset top. So I finished my little closet. Still has a little bit of a messy look. It's a lot lighter. I made it so like all my clothes are forward. Like I have all my skirts over here. These are all like corset tops. These are all my sweaters and cardigans that I'll wear this summer. And these are all my blouses. I have a bunch of dresses down here. These are my pants. As you can see, it is the thing I wear least. They're all like activewear skirts and like spandex shorts, leggings. My breeches are over there. And then over here, I have all my dresses that I wanted to kind of like showcase for the summer. As you can see, there's a theme here. And then I also have this really beautiful long dress right here too. I actually wore this to the Lana Del Rey concert.